guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Na Osifo. This man Naisha people they be Osifo. I be not be Osifo that they call her. Osifo we juwe. Osifo na problem not they finish. I will drop this thing. You know, son don't enter here. Oh, see my ass, I see fine. Oh, I do like her. If I clean my outside, I did like her well. Me I show now for here. Oh, see why for? Oh, see for. No, see my outside. Can't see fine. See my window. The flower where dey my window. See my curtain. See how everywhere they clean. And so I think they like her. I never still pack the dirty still dey there. Maybe now later, may I remove this curtain. No, see, sun don't come for here. Ooh, you gonna be good, you wanna be nice. Dream when I just dream yesterday, you just they enter my mind. The dream they enter my mind like that. You know, say that dream. Na reality. Osifo, why for high? You are now a storyteller. Osifo. Osifo, why for high? Storyteller. My people. They say this man, one woman cry come out for Nigeria. They say, he said now this man, now he be picking papa. Osifo, you don't still take for Europe reach because I don't know whether na prank now they do or no say na so prank now they do. Because I had the time when the woman say she want go do DNA test. If he can't do the DNA test, how you want to do and when you know see for something break come out to do DNA test because na saliva. I be for put his saliva put for container go give her. Because the woman say she dey carry whether she want go do DNA test or whether her pikin not well. I don't remember again. I not go lie because most of those things sometimes, if they talk about these people, I know they like their matter. They make my face come the bitter, you know. I know they like talk for their matter because these people, you get the way when they be the family. Osifo. Now 3 women now you dey marry as a man. You don't dey bump for everywhere they go. Since you come Facebook, now you carry yourself come Facebook. Oh, not be we can't find you. I will say you dey house now. We not go know whether Osifo dey like this. To be frank and sincere, oh, if bros, if you don't say that son, you don't spend 10 years for Europe because people like say that son don't be 10 years now. If you don't spend 10 years for Europe, that means say you carry belle give that woman before you jackpa. You carry belle give that woman before you jackpa. You that pikin because also if you don't reach this thing, if you don't reach 10 years, you bump for everywhere. What did they happen? You bump for everywhere. If na prank, let people know say na prank. We don't know whether na prank or not they do because at the end of the day, the court say na prank. Me myself when still they iron the case, na prank. Now me I still they do. Everybody they do prank. Let's say for example, we get issue like this when it happen to Osifo. Whether na prank or whether na reality, we don't know. But we have to give it as an advice to some men out there. One are they born. Una go abandon una children, una they take care of una children. Una think say una they live life. This one where you they do so. They say you first get 3 children for Nigeria, be 2 children. 1 woman born am for you. You abandon the woman, you abandon the children. Abi? Okay. If God don dey punish you now, people will dey say now na village people. Not be na village people. Because now they are invite una village people come una house. Then another woman don see cry come out now say, you give am belle, he no come see you again. But this thing when una dey do so, it dey happen sha o. It dey happen. Osifo. Osi no say other folk because the time when Vera dey saga una come reach today, Vera still dey saga una. The time when Vera dey saga una, they say you born for Nigeria, you run leave your wife and your pikin for Nigeria. Then the one when he come snatch, that one na husband snatcher. Maybe na husband snatcher. Maybe we be husband snatcher now. Maybe come snatch you, he snatch and come on for that woman when he dey Nigeria. Then maybe one come to maybe say she go help you. They take care of your children. Hey. Why be say this maid they can't useless like this? Why be say una useless? Just see how this man be so. If you see how this man be, now once you tell no say this one, this one just they carry belle, they give people they go. Because you just show for year. You show for year. Now me decorate year like this. I decorate am. Bros, the time when a Vera TV talk show, first they use nothing, they do live video that year. They first talk say you get children for house. You just they useless your spam they go. You only throw away your spam they go. You know what this life, that place when you dey so, you say you they're useless, yo. They are very useless. Huh? My sister, they are very useless, Sisi. They are very useless. This man first give woman belle for Nigeria. He abandoned the children. Maybe I can't say, now he want help you, they take care of the children. Because you they come Europe, now you abandon your children. Now you abandon your children, this man. Now another woman don't see cry, come and say, you give am belle. Now, you see abandon that one. For your mind, say the one when you dey with for house, now they go take care of you when time reach. No, not be there will take care of you when time reach. Try. Go your village. Go ask your forefather how it they work. You see the one when you dey with so, when you talk say now he will take care of you. When time come, God go use them against you. Now so it they play. God go use them against you. Now so you come to shout, I wish I know. Those first children when I don't take care of, I for take care of them. This one, sometimes it's something when you feel say, now go help you for life. Not be they help you. You abandon your wife and your pikin. You go stay with Mebe, the husband snatcher. You go stay with her for house. As a husband, everybody want get husband. That person still carry this one as a husband. This one na jobless man. This man is a jobless man. You know they go work. This man know they go work. If you they count them no get we pa mi ya wefe. Me o pa gbunu owo. Me gbunu owo puta e boevade. Oyibo no dey come. The day when we go see for party, they go see me that day, beat me, nyaga me. That's why I will see nyaga now. This one, may I count this one now. This one now not be a Edo State. Now, this one, where this one for come, now they did not wish for come. May I come put your sister? May I put your sister? When be they did not wish. But reve wall welo, ede wall live video reve, e wall welo suka wo. But reve ki fie abika ki yi ogbe. But see, may I bring your sister come. See your sister they come for where you dey. We banke. You banke side now your sister. You have to get bad mouth. I don't know where this man they get all those irresponsible men. I beg, no na help me. I dey find one irresponsible man. Okay, say me a fire down. I dey find one irresponsible man. This one now is a na whole base. Like this man be. This man no dey go work. This man no dey go work. I don't know how breast take dey stand for where these women women dey. Ow, see this one mouth, see mouth. If you see this one mouth, now once you tell them say this one what did they call am? This one a Casanova. This guy is a Casanova. Now in mouth you tell no. See how in mouth, oh wa mususu. You dey kiss everybody they go. You don't see him? Casanova. Now this man be. This man we know una set. This one, Nuna Baba, make I call Nuna Baba. Ah, my love, how you dey? Keep on. May I cut out the one where be una Baba for Facebook, make I talk. I don't dey fear you now because the day one go see me. Hey, oh. Una will talk say, bet that woman wey dey Facebook, I pray for my life, make I not see her again. They will they hold me that day that I no go gree, I will fall for ground, I go they cry. They will go they hold me. Me anywhere when I reach, I dey break record. This man, he gang, we know he gang. Their baba wey dey, epa amieya wefe. That one, not number one. If you want vote for them, epa amieya, na me will come run their vote. The lazy men, the men when they don't want go anywhere. Na epa enamieya wefe. One, now that one be their baba. This one, because this one senior enogie. This one, two, enogie, three. You see these three men when they dey under women. Ush, another man dey other women again. You know they na these three men. Epa enamie ya wefe. This man, where they call her? Na Collins that they call her. Usifo Collins. This man with Ajebo, with Noge. You see these two men, they know they go work. I don't know how this man prick take the raise. How can a lazy man prick go the raise for his side trouser? Eh? Three bubble, okay, three bubble, three wire. Okay, with my my brother, on a me ano. Epa Ambrose. These are the four men. If you see them, their color get as it be. One Ambrose with this man color, not the same, na it be. If this man now put three bamboo wire for head, if he with Ambrose stand, you go ask whether they be twins brother. You see, the man where woman they feed, the man must be useless. The man must be useless. You go be like say the man, he no wear again. I shall say this one, I just see the smoke igbo. If this one they smoke igbo, now so I be. Oh, eh? So now so you don't come be. Everybody want marry. Usifo. Osi what's your shan? Logo. Like they carry you, they go so Usifo. You they born children put for everywhere now. You they think say no man. You get where you go reach. You go even see yourself now, say you no get peace. If they draw you come for year, they'll draw you come for year. They'll draw you come for people where they do prank. Now once in a year or twice in a year, now they boost prank. I'll be all the time prank. If not they quarrel now say prank. If you with maybe the husband snatcher. If you they quarrel, you can say we they do prank. Now lie now quarrel night they do. This man is not a happy man. This man is a sad man. This man now sad. Now they worry this man. Yeah, I still mention no gay we. Yeah, I no gay we now. That one na baba na. That one na baba. Na egusi soup. Na just be that one egusi soup. You see? Eh? I don't understand. How do people take they live with? How not take they live with lazy man for inside house? How? Evening, my personal person. How not take they live with lazy man? This one I know they go anywhere. see necklace when you put for neck, all of them don't wash, put for your neck, finish. Eh? Una say with woman for a woman no fit. The time when make they do puree, if you see their neck go they shine. Now gold, now food their neck. This one go they wear shower. So maybe no fit go buy better gold put for your neck. Oh, you see for woman they use pikin they find you for Nigeria. Where you go find the pikin. No talk. You say you want call the woman. You can't call the woman. I not can't listen because I see say na irrelevant. Irrelevant something. Man matter. Not they let me talk put. Man. They say man. Monopause. Man. Madness. Una madness. Man. Na anything when emu start for una. You get as it be. Monday now. People go say, oh, Monday want come again. I don't want to go work for Monday. Okay, Don Priest. No, Don Priest not get woman for us. Don Priest not get woman for us. Don Priest na single man. Don Priest na single man. We not take benefit. If you see some men, then they take benefit. Single man. Single father when they take benefit, their own, they don't take benefit. But I don't say, don't pre supposed to take benefit, we'll go be government. You're going to be government. This is cover. A part near your welfare. That one they walk. They do babysitter for house. You get what this here? When I tell you that this here girl. If I never delete her, and they walk out, they come. Now see where one woman they talk to her. In direct way. Now that woman they talk to her. As I won't go back to that video again, I'm not conscient. Don't please get wife for us. Don't please not get wife for us. Not be person when don't please when you born for don't please not be don't please follow stay us. Not be. Oh, I not get time. I don't get time. I don't delete time. When I out there for Facebook, see how this man be now. See as he be. This man take camera, he still be like this. If you can't come out for a camera, okay. You say, "Hey, pa jaba abia ya wife na pidi chat man." No, Epa they work, oh. Epa they work. Epa namye ya wife they work. You know say if Epa namye ya wife they do babysitter. You know say na big money. Na big money. Some babysitter they take 15 euro per hour. Epa namye ya na big money. No, let's say you no go do one for outside. You do one for inside. A babysitter so they take 15 euros, so they take 20 euro per hours. You know babysitter. Always say he can't do one for your children. You know, say your children no. Your children no can't they pay now. Yeah, your children no can't they pay. They do babysitter for your children. Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah. Now wow. Una di try sha. No, Ugo Janara, that one no, for Ugo Janara, no, Ugo Janara, no, they do this nonsense. Ugo Janara, no, they follow, they do this nonsense. No. Where they call you? No, Ugo Janara, no, they, no. That one. If that one just see they follow, they do nonsense now, can't talk. How many times you they see Ugo Janara? You know, you tell me, say, if Ugo Janara, no, they live video. You know, they do business. Ugo Janara, they do business, so. See this one now. Now 3 women now I don't born for this man. Man when 3 women born for is a public man. Okpe and Okwevai Biena. When three women don't born for, 4 women don't born for, that man don't get regard again. If they come and say, that one, he don't get regard again. When be say, 1 woman born for, now he get regard. When 3 women born for, that man don't get regard again. He respect, don't finish. The family no go respect her. Asada no go respect her. Nobody go respect her. Because he don't born put for everywhere. Who want they respect you? If they come, they'll say, this one. You know, see, this man, so, KO husband. Na KO husband be na KO wife. Na this man be. I know if you see themselves, these people self, when you see themselves, the way that they be, they're too local. They're local. I don't know why they're local like this. Now they see their background, they'll say, lovely, don't start again. Lovely you get. My background, it too soft. It's too soft. These people, they don't fit buy nice clothes for their children. Those people, you see this man, so his children, his stepchildren, they wear second hand. Instead of this man now to carry his stepchildren, go for where they work, he put them for social media. That is 3 children, his 2 children, his stepchildren, those 2, when Oyibo, when the woman fell born for Oyibo, with Valerie when they with them. If those girls, if they work, stress not go dey the family again. Look at. See, now person husband be this one now. This one now person husband. This one. This man just see hand when it takes spoil himself. He don't get hand take useless in life. Yeah, they are living fake life. Now fake life, all of them they live. They don't get. Now man they day. They'll say I did Europe. I did this one. My people, if you see some place, he get house when I did for IT that time. If I tell people say na that house I dey live, they will find me come. I'll tell them say see the house. Because the house too fine, they go pass. If you see that house, he fine. Because the house too fine, they go pass. They think say black no fit live for this kind place. There is some place when you go, some houses when you go rent. If you see the house, you go find. You think say you both there. Even he said that the renter tell you say you buy her, you go believe say you buy her. If let's say somebody will come greet me that time, I will come tell and say, yeah, you don't come down for bus. You go say, yeah, I say, okay, well, I can't come small. Then under the house, then they sell machine for under the house. Fine house. If they call it, they don't say, I don't see I say see the number for there. Now the house you did. Once you don't date that traffic, you don't date my house. You will say, hey, date the traffic. I say that house when you date near that traffic, that they sell machine under. If they call it, they don't say, now wow, if they talk say black person go live for this house, they don't go believe. If you see the house, it's fine. If they tell you say black person they live for that house, you don't believe. Now let me want be the black person when live for that house. No another person. Since when I they live for house for Europe, I never follow black live for this apartment. It be like say God don't talk say not just follow they stay. I don't know. God just say no follow these people stay. God just they give me house without black no go dey there. Now let me want go dey there. If they go they show this, they go they say, the ghetto, the ghetto, the ghetto. If they call carry car, this car too fine, this car too fine. May I carry on and go where they say car. You see car, they go tell you say this car na 5,000 euro. You tell say lovely, this car is too big for 5,000 euro now. Look the engine. The engine don't break down. The engine not they work again, not they go far away again. Do you know say there is no car when you know if you go like 4 hours journey, you know if you go again. This man now, 3 women I don't born for this man. Now this one when 3 women born for that person they call her husband. Ha now wow. This one 3 women I don't born for this one. That person they call her husband. This one now 3 baby mama husband. 3 baby mama husband. Yeah? Maybe the day when you see come on for where my bed day now, you will see go give woman belly. Just see this man. I never see Agbo man. Agbo for come, beware for come. When he just useless like this for Facebook. I never see. He just call himself come useless. Now the same place now with this they didn't wish for come. Eh? Your woman say you get belly for her. I think you not get money. Why not they drag? Buy ticket, go Nigeria. Simple. Simple. Just to off the issue. Simple. You there abroad. Simple. Just to off issue. Oh, I pregnated you before I left Nigeria. Yes. Okay. I'm coming to Nigeria. You give me your address. If you don't want to make it give you address, tell us, okay, which area do you live? We'll say you live for so area. Okay. I'm going to make an appointment for DNA test. To do DNA. Then you make an appointment. If you make an appointment, finish, send and go give the girl. If you make a finish, if you make an appointment finish, go send and go give the lady when they use your name, take the shout. Very simple. You know, me how they like to they argue something when be say go they give me sleepless nights. You know, then you give the girl. You send and go give the girl. So they like this, make the girl they come, make come with your son. You pay. You pay for DNA. Yes. If you tell the guy, say, I'm going to pay for this DNA. If it's not my son, you will pay me back. That is all. If it's not my son, you will pay me back. Clear. Then you go. If you can't reach there, you do it. If not your son, oh, it's your son. That boy too handsome. Why they deny your children? Because of Mebe. Because of Mebe, they deny your children. Eh? You don't see children when they born from Mebe. You don't see how the children be like, oh, do me. They old past me. Those small children. They do face like, they old past me. If they lie down like this, me and lie down like this, put camera, they'll say whether they be my mothers. It is true. Lucifer is not the father of Mebe first. Black daughter. Yes! I don't even know. Now, carry see that boy. If that boy na your son, the boy too fine. That boy when that get carry come out, it too fine. The one when the first time say you born for Nigeria, you jack Bali for Nigeria. Those children when they see bring account, the children still fine. But not be the children they carry come that year. Just go there. I don't know why black people you they laugh. You know they see the children. The children when they born for Europe. You don't see how the children be. The time when I get belly that year, all the old children were there around me. I go yap they. I can yap children. I'm fond of yappy children. They go say, now what? This if you don't born, your pikin go too. I say, I beg you, my pikin not there. Now wait till you believe. I also say, if I don't see the children, don't play. They come, I don't do like this. I say, come, not just near me. That your ugly face, just carry go there. The man go say, see, your pikin go ugly if you born. If I born my pikin go me. If they see my children, they'll say, as you have children rich, and they have children well. Even when I did Nigeria, I mean, how can the pikin come? How can the pikin come like this? I just say, see, I can go for your head. See, as your head. You say, mommy, auntie. Hey, sister, they don't new bab my head. I say, wait till they bab your head. You go say, now let's blade. That's it. They bring quarrel between me with my junior brother. When my junior brother dey house just back, I don't feel talking for live video. My junior brother, if he stay with 50 children, he go continue them. Those 50 children go stay with them. Children can listen to them. If my junior brother wants to, if they don't come, if my junior brother don't they call up, they follow and they come. My junior brother, he go just put water for basin. We all put water for basin. Then he go just bring sponge. Now that one sponge, now he go take wash all of them. I will say, This one where go day head. You won't see use this point when you take bath this one, take bath that one. It will say, sister, carry your man come on for here. He go say all of us not the same. Akparigogo no go catch day. True. Akparigogo no take catch those children. You go they bath day. You go. Hello, my brother. Chai, that boy is. It will get fun for children. I call say, see you. Wait till you chop. See your belly. I say, come see you. Wait till you chop for us. That's your belly big. Me run. My brother go throw away the water for me. Go throw away like this. Phew. He was say, come on for here. Me, I don't know why. If I yap children today, you think say I hate the children. I don't hate them. If I yap children, hi. If children, they do like this. You get the one when if you just pass this, you just reach their backyard, they just get pankane. Then they do oil. Then they do oil. Pankane, you know say where they do oil, pankane full on where. I just sit down for there, I just break pankane. They will just come, yeah, wature. They all come meet me because I be person when be say that time for Nigeria, my color, they attract person. You know say they see person when they are children will just come. I say, don't say, sister, I beg bread for me. I say, don't be here now. They chop this pakane since. Their mama, they do something for this thing, so they fry gari. They will say, man, you leave. May una leave lovely alone. May una leave sister alone. I say, no be now with this pakane day house. I just use chair sit down for where this pakane day now. All of una just come. Auntie, bread for me. Auntie, bread for me. Auntie, bread for me. I will see bread for them. I will use them to do caricature for them. They will They will say, sister, bye-bye. You will come chop pankane again. I'll say, yes, I'll go chop pankane because they get pankane where. I just sit down, just break them for there. Pick the one when I want pick. Just the play, they go. Now, so, this one now, that fine boy now, you leave that fine boy. Go and check. If that boy is your son, you should be the best man on this earth. Why you not useless like this? I call the naked, they swear for no when they abandon children. On a who no serve ni, no gbe. Me down na penis, me no walk again. If you not carry the something, you no go agree walk again. Can you imagine? See how that boy, if I say that boy na true your own bros, that boy is a child that you will proud for. The boy too fine. See the one where you they born for Europe. They be like Imiame. I don't know what they resemble. If you now wear them native, they not fine. If you now wear the English, they not fine. You know, concern me. Now so I be. If you see say are the yap children, not just say lovely. Now children you dey yap. No worry. The time when I get belle, if I dey yap, they'll do them like this. They'll do like this. I say, he just get one at that time. He they don't follow me. When I get better, when I don't, I say, I bet, don't I bet. I say, you chop this thing. I say, I know they chop, leave me alone. People come say to the yap picking, he go make you born ugly picking, no. And the DNA is out of the Osifo. The DNA is out. Is for Osifo. Okay, how did they run it? Where did they see her this thing? Her sample to use? Okay, yeah, they're supposed to. That now saliva that they do more. Without saliva, did Osifo went to Africa? If Osifo did go to Africa, there is no way he can do that DNA test. I mean, he put her for something. Go give them. The charge is for Osifo. Seriously? Now Osifo get the last born. Okay, the last born for the no, now the one where they Nigeria, not be the one where they here, oh. Not be the one where they with her when maybe they born. You don't see the children when they born for Europe. Since una decided to abandon una rich children, the one when they do face like Osa, you know they see the children they wear more they wear this thing again. More they wear the native again. They're too ugly. They're too ugly. They go, oh lovely, you don't start again. The children too ugly. Even if say I stand, I'll say, this your pikin ugly, sha. Me, I will fit talking. Your mama will say, eh, I'll say your pikin too ugly. They'll say, carry your mouth, go that side. Me, the time when I did Nigeria, if pikin they suck breast that year, as I find trouble, reach. I know, lovely to find trouble. How they know, I don't know what they make me they find trouble. If I dey waka they call that, I will see some mothers, they carry pikin, the pikin they suck breast. I'll greet, if I greet her finish, I'll carry her come on for the breast. I'll look out like this. I'll say, this pikin fine. Your mama will say, eh? If I say fine, if I say fine, they don't take up his heart. Well, I'm going to say the pikin fine, then they happy with that. If I don't go that time, you know, say, person will be say, it always they happy. Anywhere when you reach, you know, I don't feel get enemy. Anywhere when I reach, if I already say, this is what children will say, sister lovely, they come, go see how they come. They'll come wait to. If I reach there, I use my to rub their belly like this. I say, wait till you chop. You'll say, I chop pounded yam. I say, we soup. You'll say, you use ogbolo. I say, hey, why your belly don't be rich like? Because now ogbolo you chop. Oh, no, lovely too. For children, now me go see you have the finish. Now me go see you, I still clean their mouth. I say, you know, see, say your mouth is not good. I can't clean her. If I can't clean her like this, I use until rub my cloth. Clean this one, use until rub my cloth. That's say bye bye. As me do say, as grow, I they follow small children. They do a ma baba. Eh? But they eat with Osifo. Okay, they run in with Osifo hair. Okay, Osifo took his hair to Africa. Oh, that woman, you trash her. If I take part of that hair. They run in with Osifo hair. Okay, I don't see the comment. I wish I'm that woman. And then may I read the DNA test before you start to decrease. Allah, if I don't feel doing. Because I don't say you are not useful. You not they useful. As I say I see chance get your hair, you are finished. Oh, if I don't do the DNA test finish, I'll say Osifo. They say now your pikin oh. Now you get this pikin. The remaining hair, I'll go use to put craze for your body. I'll use the remaining hair. Go do one. They go deport you come Nigeria. I don't know if the wicked do now. Me, if you do me something, if my ancestor fight you, you don't go ever remain again for your life. How the hell do my own? I stubborn where I too stubborn, but I know they show my stubbornness. So the remaining hair now, the woman go throw me. Oh, that woman, if you day here, fine. Take the hair, use and take do and make the deport and come home. If they say they don't fit deport and come, use the hair, do and make it the craze. Because you need to run mad. Add eye for an eye, now B. I will make you useless. Oh, your hair reach my hand. I know they lie, oh. Your hair reach my hand. No worry, I'll go take voice, I go take do DNA test. The remaining one, go and take put craze for your body. Since you don't decide for your life, say, God bring you come this life. You decide to the pregnant women, they live with the women. Now I make God they punish you now. People, men, when you don't ever see any rich man, when he rich, you go say, abandon your children rich. You know they. Now they poor pass. Okay, the woman say maybe must leave Osifo. Now this one they still they leave. What did they this one? Nothing did this one again now. Nothing did this one. This one where he don't gog for Ostra. Nothing did this one. What did they this one? This man be like I don't even understand this man self. This man is a player. This man is a confused.com. Now this man be. This man are confused.com. I don't know why some women. Oh. When I come here, I call the mentor. This one. Now God save you. Once I take your picture, I hold your picture. I know why I take your picture. Just day like that. As long as you just say, I'm interested to take your picture, hold on. You don't the mate be that. you see python, you see python, you put you see say python, e lie down for ground, python lie down for ground, come me say where e dey sleep. You can't cut leaf, you can't do am like that when they take the carry load. You put am for python body, you see what they tell you, make you know say I be strong native doctor. See ya, you put am for python body, you forget, you no go kill the python, you forget the python for bush. Once that python, it don't take years, months, you no go. If that python dey lean, you yourself go dey lean. Now be. Once you talk say you get sense, once I collect your something, you don't finish with that. Love. Love is a beautiful thing. Do not get it rooted now. Love is getting twisted. I don't know. Look at you. You born children throw away, you can't they talk. Once you born throw away, no woman won't go accept you. No woman. Any woman when they tell say, that woman when they Nigeria, I don't know whether not true or whether not prank or but I see they prank my own talk. Then the time when this person they talk to you that time, and Vera TV show. Vera still first talk about the children and your wife you left behind. See mouth. If I still talk about the wife you left behind. And this man with Mebe, they resemble for mouth. Now not say they resemble for mouth. I can say which kind where these people for see their self. Now so the children when they see they born, the children ugly. Hi Jesus. If I will say I get belly, I for can't laugh that picky where I would laugh. That was a lovely suffering. May your children don't go ugly for where. Susan, now so it is now you be like say if me I know they smoke it though area we may waye. You all be like say they hide my juju they hide me. Juju they hide me. If they see me sometimes they say this your eye get a CP. I don't I pass my You get all of my girlfriend down here. If you come see my eye, you will say, oh, we're about then in how where we change you. They smoking go together. Okay, then they smoking go together. Good evening, how you day? Yes. See mouth. Just this man na conny man. I hate conny man. Any man when they conny, I hate that man. You know what talk when you go enter my ear. Anything when they talk, they vex me. I cannot do business with you. I cannot communicate with you. If you just they talk, I say, bros, I beg. This one a konima. See as he face be. Gebelo no say ja yo sifo. You just they born, welcome my love. You just they born, they abandon your children. Why? Go and take care of your children. Get a job. Go look for black work they do so that you go take care of your children. Go and take care of your children. I don't know where this woman, I don't know where, he not use the remaining hair, carry and go native daughter. Now side, now that they see strong native daughter. So if now me be that woman, I will take the one when I'll take do DNA test, I will take and come on. If I take do DNA test, the remaining one, I dey carry and go where I will use and take spoil your life. Because why? Since when my pikin grow rich like that, Kukuma, not be you, they help me take care of my pikin. I will make sure say I useless you. The man already useless. The man is a useless man. See the way when he tell his boy they not witch. Just see useless people. Yes, so you know too often now. Too much. Okay, if you forget the document, you go leave me there. These kind of people, document not they reach their hand. You know why document not they reach these people hand? Now cause. Because their children when they abandon. You know this life, Now to sin. Now they sin so. To sin. Like it there with me bear. For in mind, say if he gets document, he go leave me bare. You see, huh? And another way, he can't abandon his children. Go meet me bare. A cheater can never, a cheater where they follow happy and way can never help you. Because he's a sinner. He's a sin for where his children they. He's a sinner for where his children they. To abandon his children, he's a sinner. Then if he's still there for maybe to give him documents, then he will leave maybe. He's a sinner too. You see these people like this, God never answered them because God don't already know their mission. People like this. I saw this man go stay. One day he go carry a luggage come on by himself. Yes, because God check his children's hearts. God they check his children's heart. You know that can say now if maybe give you document finish, you go leave maybe. Then your children when you see abandon, you're supposed to face your children. Yes, you face your children. Facing your children is not an happy way. When you face your children is reality. No matter how you go suffer rich, God will surely bless you. Did you see the real normal men? If you see them today, you'll say, wow, this man. See the way when God take bless you. The man face one thing for life. The man no want use something, say he want go do happy and way. He won't use brain. He want wash somebody brain, wash person. I don't believe in, say, as they wait for paper. As you see them a bare house, they chop. If you like, make me bare bone for her. Say na paper they wait for. He no go get that paper. Why he no go get that paper? Very right in this one on. Okay, thank you. Yes. Now you see them so they are suffering. Because why? He's a cheater. If not cheater, now he be. If they find a way, you are looking for somebody because a person want make you better for life. You left your children, your own blood. Your children just like your shadow. Your children. If you waka, you don't see your shadow again. You say, where my shadow don't go. That is just like children like that. Then you abandon your children. Now they wait for document. As far as you see them a bear house say na document, I make you dead there. Person when feel born throw away. Now maybe no will feel born. Still give her spam. Maybe Osifo is a spam donut. If he come born for you, not be new thing. Because women don't already born for them before. They never see many one way born for them. You see now say Osifo self don't even get picking of 20-something years. Yes, this man is not a young man. This man is getting to 50 years if he never reach. Good evening, my personal person. They say this life, don't put your hand when it comes to children. Children cause. Nothing where they tell they return the cost. Nothing. Now you see some men, they will put money for business. Business will go down. Put money for business will go down. They will ask, say, why? You will come to say, why in business they go down? If you go meet better pastor, pastor will say, you abandon your child. You will say, no, you don't abandon your child. The pastor will say, go and think years back. Something that you do to your life. That is why your life is not stable. Your business is not booming. Not be saying, okay, now, maybe carry on come. As maybe carry on come. He's not a virgin. He don't forget children. If I get children, if I get wife and picky for us, they give him, by maybe having kids for this guy. It's not a new thing because it's a spam donut. Now spam donut it be. Spam donut. Now this will be. Because he don't fit dey born before. Not be maybe be the first black woman when he start to dey born. Not be maybe be the first woman when he start to dey born with. He have a lot of baby mama out there. The one we are seeing is the one we are talking about right now. Maybe there is some we don't see. There is some we don't see. This man have a lot of baby mama out there. You have passing Connie way. You abandon your children, passing Connie way, coming to abroad. There is some people, they didn't come to abroad. They take care of their children. Their children go to university. They train their children there in Africa. Why are you like that? Document. You must reply me back. She document because you know after document he will run away. Yes, Because, yeah, you are right. Because if this man should run and leave his first children, run, leave the second one when this man carry come, why not run, leave me be? Now, something go do reach in 10 years' time. 10 years' time, these women, when they say, I marry, they will become single. Because the man that they marry, they know me, man when don't born, reach 3, I know they marry. How they marry? Like, I can never marry. Man when don't born, 2 women don't born. For what they use until they do? Mention role. I don't get what I use that man do. Because that man is a public man. Is everybody, all children, papa. All women husband. Now the man be. That is who this man. Oh, baby mama are still coming from Osifo. Yeah, they are coming. Yeah. They are coming. Yeah. Those couple just turn person and no done at all. Why my you can't leave your children. You can't say you they go another woman's house. You won't go collect treasure. That is how they are doing. They will abandon children, their own treasure when God already give them, their own blessing. Children is the first blessing. If you like me, you get money. It's the first blessing. If you abandon your children, you say they go meet woman, now that woman, you want to stay with that woman. The cost, when time go, they come. You yourself, the woman, when you come meet that time, go even they cost you. Now the woman go they take care. We don't see now. The man go they has the woman go they take care of her. And it's so with the spirit. Every time I love my husband, I can do anything for my husband. I love my husband. Yeah, the other time, Osifo was Mebe was doing live. Osifo was close to him. Then Mebe said that it's Osifo that divorced him. When you see this man face, now then you know say this man na Koni man. He say, ha! They don't have any telling lie to lie. They say, now Osifo na the virgin. Now Osifo say, ha! Now me. I see on the way coming. Many down the way coming. God is to vera the mama of 24. You know, that is it. I don't like Koni man. If man they Koni, I know man when I just like. The man will be gentle. The man go, if na B, the man go say na B. If na A, the man go say na A. Even he say that man, you know, when you are with a man that is honest, even he say the man poor, you don't go see poor for a area. You won't see that poverty because the man is honest. Those people, they are the one that still poor, and they are the one that is not honest. You people just get one character for one basket. You guys, you are poor sticking men, and you are not honest. You lie. You abandon children. Are you guys kidding? What's this? If they give me gun, may I tell you to now? Oh, I will just give you now. Boy, poor. Eke that just sa na eke ko muni pon pasho ko muni na mu daba eke. Pooh. Okay, ni keke. Okay, the bullet can keke see worry. All the time, one useless man. That is, you see, desperate women. Now they fall for this man trap. When a woman is desperate to get a husband, this is the kind of man they get for the return. This kind of men they get from the return. Because a desperate woman, a woman need to be patient. Look at Mebe. Mebe, there is some women. I see some black women. When they got married to white, if the white man died, if they want to get a man again, they get white man. Did you see what do you call it? King lady. The king lady husband died. I think king lady have 2 children for the man. Then when king lady need another man again, he need white man. Before king lady get that white man, maybe he date with black men. As he see the black man say, no, this is not the kind of man I need in my life. He return back and face Oyibo is with white man. Now so women they do. You see, huh? I also come out here my personal person. That dirty when I do see whether I'll feel pack and safe. I just tire. That make me, if I just don't finish, I'll just pack. And if I leave something here to go back there again, they tire me. You know? You dey find happy and way. You just want to come Europe. Because you want to come Europe, you abandon your children. Yes, because you want to come Europe, you abandon your children. There is some men when woman carry enter Europe. At the end of the day, the woman go run, leave the woman. If the woman they shout, the man will say, no worry. The money when you take carry me, come, they pay you small. Because my children, when I leave behind, I know they feel stay. This man may get my shout. Now will just sleep, eat. You forget your children for Africa. Who now they motivate self? Who do you guys motivate? This una not supposed to even they exist. Una not supposed to the real time when we say we they really follow truth. We they listen to truth. People like this, nobody go with them. They'll say, no, this one not fit advise me now. Oh, this one come as a man now. Who he want motivate? Are you going to motivate young men that you have pregnant a four lady or 5 lady? You are a single father everywhere. You are not a married man. You are a single father. Because the children you have from other women, are you in their life? Are you with them? Did you know how they felt? Do you know how they eat? Did you take care of them? You are a single father. There is no way you can be married. Man will born for everywhere. Now, person your husband. You be single father. A polygamous man even better pass you. Very silly people. You boy, you are so annoying. You abandon your children. Then your children, they come and say, because do DNA test. God, they give them money, work. They no agree work. If the woman, the nyama food, when they take, they do show. They'll carry snake go drag, they'll carry chicken go drag, Now say, well, now they see spit, where they soften this dry chicken for now. If meat too dry, I don't like them because I know see saliva take chew make it soft. They will chew you. Yeah, me I beg, Osifo, get off. You know, say I don't even know how. So this kind man says some men like this, I know they like their appearance. Then mama like it, if they get as it be. I beg, at the verse. That's all they call before you know now. Now you know it. You know where you forget Osifo. If that thing now truth, where you forget Osifo. Osifo is here for Facebook. Things when he lost, men when he lost, men when give women belly run. Now Facebook now that they see them now. Facebook now that they see men when he run, leave children, leave their wife. Now Facebook that they see them now. Facebook later now, most of them when don't leave children, they don't go. They don't come if they marry another woman marry them put for house. They know they do live video. They know they say, no, I don't want to do live video. I don't want make my wife go see me for live video. See ya. You are a baby father. Now you be. How can a baby father be somebody's husband? Baby father. How can a baby father be somebody's husband? Even not only one woman born for round, 2 women don't born for round now. 2 women. Now the 2 women when we know be that too. Maybe others they when we don't know. Osifo, if that child is your child, go and be taking care of that your child. These people they are not living comfortable life. They are not living calm life. They are in pain, sorrow. Now they in pain and sorrow. They cannot live later now. This one now. He will come to work out, they go in you. That one say if you don't collect document for me, pay hand finish, you go wrong. Why no wrong? Why you go stay? If he stay with all those women, he go reach me bare hand. If he stay with all those women, he will reach maybe, huh? And what he will still do now? When time go come now, he will still leave me. But they're not they stay. We know this kind of people. We don't jump this kind of people. They can now, so they will say, now this one, now I make my wife not stay. Now this one, I make my girlfriend come on. Now this one, now I make this one come on. Now one of them be this. One of them. We'll see for everywhere. No be say you rich. How can you people be calling poor man everywhere? This man is so fucking poor. Poor man. Ooh, poor man. Like ooh na. Ooh. Oh, see that for everywhere you oh see. Walok belong any money oh see that be. Na wahala they call oh see. Na wahala I go kiss you. For English oh see. Oh siere. Oh siere say you they talk people matter. As you they talk people matter, you they stress yourself. You dey stress yourself, they do things when you no good. Na BOC. You dey do things when you no good. You go dey draw rope, they go. See, you go see on Murina. You see, and everywhere you just dey draw rope, everywhere you just dey stress yourself. Na be so. You reach Facebook, you begin to dey stress yourself. All women now, they stress around. Osifo. All those see now that bear. O si okwele no gbegogo that gbe okwele no okwele gbegogo no that no o si that gbe man when they abandon children papa titi pa man when they abandon children papa titi pa man when they abandon children papa titi pa man when no dey shake papa titi pa wa way sperm donation sperm giver useless man. All your mate the sex sperm take build house. All your mate sex sperm take build house. Yo, you don't if you don't make pure finish, you come on for that the pikin go dey suffer. Your mate they said their own sperm take they take care of their life. Your mate said their sperm take build house. Who say his sperm if I take build herself take do business now better pass. If he can't reach, can't get money, you go say, I sell my sperm years back. You go find the person say, I bet that money when I take sell my sperm for you that time. Can't collect her. I won't collect my pikin. You go collect the pikin. You now, no one when you go see collect. I'll see for. Osifo. Una not see who go talk to na talk say na they do a jinga. Na they do a jinga. Osifo. Osi no si osi that for we gbe osi that hwe osi di gbe. Spam donator. Man when you don't say as they throw away your spam they go now. The women when you they give them the children up and down, they will wake up in the morning, they peace, they call also for where you dey, you know go better for you. Wait till they fight for this life, you know go see her. I'm a bog wa me so ki mi okwa. Now the cause when they worry now. If you be man when they out there, you born, you they donate your sperm, they go, the women they insult to now. The women they insult to now. If now me be now, what are they use sky? His sky, if the money, his sky come out, more na use son. His son come out, more na use son. Take swear for them. In the evening, his son they go, na use and take swear for them. As this early morning, as this son come as he wake up, all the old business when you go do today, all the old stress when you go stress today, all the old waka when you go do today, all the old good thing when you go do today, when in the evening come, everything go come. Event. More than they use and they swear for them like that. More than they swear for them. If you now see una baby papa when he abandon una, when not take care of una. Why am I bug me a video? Any money now, I don't give una. Look now, just go there. Swear for them, make they know better, make they useless. Because if they're useless, you won't be the mama, you will be madam. You know say, if my God, we will be women, we can like her when we will say, he got sharp. He got sharp. If they will introduce you, give the man self, you not even want to make you go there because everywhere where they make second. Why are they swear for them like that? Anything one I want to swear for them, more than they let me know. I'll they give you the prayer, one I want to swear for them. If you want to swear for them, when I'll carry water, Una carry the water up. You call in a oh Sifo, this bucket, this thing when I also now your name, now you did there. I call you how many times? Call her several times. If you call her put for the water finish, carry her give some. Tell some say anything when Sifo put hand for today, in the evening, you go fall down, break like egg. Then when you don't hold that water not throw away not throw away that water. You will suffer keep that water. I not carry that water enter house. Carry am put for corner. If na window, if you not get outside, put am for window. You go there. In the evening, when sun they come out, even if say you go outside, say make the ritualist, make you not do a half. Put the water, put am for inside container, lock the spirit, put for inside the container. Anytime when una take down, you lock and put for there. The business when you go do that business no go waka. If you don't call on no finish, don't spoil them because they don't they useful. Because since they say they want spoil, you go spoil them well. Take this thing, water. If you take water, make I settle down tell now. Now don't say sometimes I they play. I don't want if I they tell now. So things one go they use. No not to destroy this man. But all be like say I get evil heart. But may I still tell us this also for this so. You go take water, call in a put. Call in a put how many times? You go carry and face sun if sun come out. Even if it's outside today, carry the sun to follow your body. If sun come out, open her, call in a put. Osifo. If now several times you want call her several times. How many times you want me you call her, you call her. And how many times, even if say you come person once, if they hear, if they pretend say you no hear. If you call person twice, if they hear, you go pretend say you no hear. You go see the call her. Then you open the water, you cuss and. Cover and put for ground. If you dey house, cover the water, put for ground. If you dey go outside, carry small jerrycan, load the water put so that business no go expand. You go pour the water for inside the container. You go lock am. You see, and you don't lock destiny that money. Any business when they do, you no go waka. If business no waka, you go if you want go out, say before sun go come down, say maybe you know quick reach out, carry and follow body. You carry and follow body. Even if say you not doing that day, or not that day, they gather around. One day you don't already lock and put for there, lock the business put for there. Then if you don't do and finish, if the evening don't come, the sun don't they go. You say as this sun they go so, as you open this thing so. Now so everything when you do that day, because you don't already lock am, everything when you do that day. Now so you go take go, you pour am for grant. You say, you go reach your body. But not they swear for them like that. Why am I bog bian? What they swear for them? They don't go better. Like me, if I swear to do for you, you can never make it in life. You will be useless. Or you may all can be. Or my person when he just touch me, making take collect. Before you they make they don't show you. I don't see you for a dream. Feel like maybe they do like this. Lovely don't already see you. Because I be seer. Now so now they do this Osifo, see your life. Any woman when born for Osifo, if you not there here, you know where they want call this particular place for her. Maybe they swear for her. They swear where the devil they swear for her, they worry and so. So go enter bedroom naked. Swear for them. Swear. Because they be useless men. I don't even know why God give una spam. Baba God. Now, wow, me I don't understand. Now the women I use and take favor say, make the women forget children. Because not be the men. If now say not the men, these people penis, the spam no go work at all. You will say you share sit down, they talk. This ugly mucheche man. Maybe can just sit down. Maybe I don't see I can't go marry second-handed man. This one are fourth-handed. Not be second-handed if you got this one are fourth-handed. He give the woman when marry abandon. He give one get belle for it time. He give another one belle for when he go Lagos. He can't give this one belle for Bini, for women. Before he can marry this woman. Second-handed man, like this one be. If woman see come now, women na dey try sha. If woman see come now, na wan see marry am. Person wey no fit stay with first wife, second wife, third wife, fourth wife, fifth wife. Now wan stay with you. Don't gog. When don't gog, you don't reach una hand. Oh solo, but no, may God not let me carry man when don't gog. Which I want use and do man when don't gog. Wait till you get prick. You not get prick. God forbid. God forbid. And I want settle now. My but me I leave you now. See a guy. No even take care of your children because curse don't already follow you. May the curse follow you all the days of your life. You will pregnant women finish, you go leave them. All of them when come to pregnant women, they abandon my children. Now so, now it go be. Anybody when you know say your pikin dey under another man roof, you be man. Your pikin dey another man roof. The man they take care of the pikin for una. Wadi desi eloru woto. Wadi desi eloru. Because that man when your pikin dey under a roof, he's supposed to take care of his own children alone. He can't take care of another man pikin. You see, I did they go. My people may I live on a bye bye.